Predict the entropy changes from the following. So the first one, if we look at it, we've got solid carbon and we have water vapor, so water in its gaseous form. And then those yield, once they react, they yield carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen gas. So let's kind of think about the individual molecules within these different states of matter. We're just dealing with solids and gases in this scenario. If you think about a solid, the molecules, they're relatively close to one another and they're not really allowed to twist and turn along their bonds. It's more of a vibrational type of kinetic energy that they have. Versus gases. Gases, if you'll recall, the molecules are pretty unreactive. There's quite a bit of distance between the gas molecules and they're moving so quickly. So the way that we need to approach looking at this is really, okay, is there an